Hey there, Stampers. This is Sherry Roth. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Alberta, Canada, and I am excited to be here to announce the next class to go. So this class to go is called the Seaside Bay Class to go and features this beautiful bundle from the January to April 2023 mini catalog. So you can see that it's kind of got some seaside images and some great greetings, and then some great coordinating dies and complementary dies. And then there is this fabulous specialty 6x6 DSP, some flat adhesive back pearls, and this beautiful variegated balmy blue and white ribbon. It's beautiful for tying bows. So this class to go is $45 plus $5 shipping anywhere in Canada. It includes half a package of the DSP, a package of the flat backed pearls, 2 yards of the balmy blue ribbon, and the pre-cut pieces to create 6 cards using this bundle, as well as an emailed PDF, which includes a full supply list, pictures, measurements, and links to videos showing you how to put the projects together. So that is option 1. Option 2, if you don't already own this Seaside Bay bundle, this is the best option for you, or maybe you have a really long wish list. When you spend $107.75 before shipping and taxes in my online shop using the class host code, which I will link in the description below, you'll get your class kit, so the 6 pre-cut card kits to create the 6 projects, and the emailed PDF, as well as 2 yards of this beautiful ribbon, absolutely free. And the reason it's $107.75 is because that it is the total for the bundle, the DSP, and the flat adhesive backed pearls. Okay, now if you have some of this product or something similar that you want to use, you can replace it as long as the total is at least $107.75 and you've used that host code, then you are good to go. If you are outside of Canada, you can purchase the tutorial only. I will link that in the description below. The cost is $20 Canadian. And if you are part of my Treasure Stampers team, option 4 is for you. So as a member of my Treasure Stampers team, you can get the tutorial absolutely free. All you have to do is request it. And if you'd like the pre-cut card kits, then the card kits are $15. All right. So I have 4 of the 6 cards that I'll share a quick peek at. This one's a bit of a fun fold. And then this one here. So those are 4 of the 6 absolutely beautiful cards that you'll be creating in the class. Deadline to register for this class is April 4th, and I will post a link to the blog post where you can find all of the information that you'll need. All right, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in class.